Hi, my name is Yong Bang, the engineer company CEO. This is Korea, Silicon Valley, Seoul Chang Printer. Welcome. X Concep AI. Test, prompt, manufacturing, 3D modeling solution, test, 2D image, 3D rendering. Not CAD as default, but engineering AI. Wow. My blood, sweat and tears. Wow, hi, this is CPO of the engineer.
Hi, my name is Sam Park, AI full stack developer.
Okay. I used to work in manufacturing and I saw how the design process can be. I've seen engineers test lathe, fixing models over and over, and factory rating not because machines are slow, but because design is slow. 3D modeling is still manual, slow and repetitive. Every change reset the process, waiting time, percent energy. We built something different. This is not a CAD tool. It's AI that creative 3D models for manufacturing. You tell it what it is and what is not, and it builds the model. What do you think about what you're building?
What we are building is not just another AI tool, it's real engineering system. We don't generate just images, we generate 3D models that can actually be built in real factories. Our strengths come from understanding machines, materials, and manufacturing process. That's why our models are not just visual, they are manufacturable. From a technical perspective, there is a system that can fundamentally change how design is done in manufacturing.
So, what the purpose are you solving and what purpose to we have so far?
We solved one of the biggest bottlenecks in manufacturing, design speed. Today, early stage designs takes weeks because of repeated revisions and communication gap. With our system, we automate that process. We've already proven up to 70 to 90% reduction in design lead time. And in real cases, AI-generated concepts have been directly used to build actual equipment. We also validated strong market demand through over 200 technical consultations at CES. So this is not just theory, it's already working in real engineering environment.
Why? Are you ready? US market.
We're ready because our technology, product, and market validation are already in place. Technically, we've built a full pipeline that generates manufacturable 3D models from text, not just images. Our system also supports secure on-premise environment, which is critical for the US. Industries like aerospace and defense. From a product standpoint, we already operate a working platform and have proven performance, including significant design lead time reduction. On the market side, we validated real demand through over 200 technical consultations at CES 2026. And now we're moving from validation to execution through POC, ROI, verification, and enterprise level contracts.
Wow. We are not just building a tool, we are changing how manufacturing design is done. And this is just the beginning. We are engineers from Korea. Thank you.